If you're a marketer, I think you're going to be absolutely fascinated by this. At every company we've built over the last 10 years, there's been a huge focus on landing pages because they can make or break any marketing campaign. The problem is it's painful. You need designers, developers, and the feedback loop is so slow. But I don't think that's necessary anymore. So we've spent the last few months building Blox, a way to create and optimize on-brand landing pages with a conversation. So we're going to start with a brand we all know and love, Zapier, and I've pre-trained this agent on their brand. And it also does some research to understand their product and service. The goal of the agent is to understand the customer. Let's start by creating a prompt, and let's give it an easy one. Go ahead and build a landing page focusing on our 1 month free offer. Now, of course, normally you would give it more of a brief, but I'm just going to demonstrate how powerful it is. So we've got a few questions back, and just to keep things simple, I'm going to say use your intuition and go ahead. And just like that, it's created a full landing page. Now, I've done this probably thousands of times over the last few months testing this, and it just fascinates me. It is on brand, the messaging is right, and it's designed for conversions. And if you're not impressed, let me show you something else. I'm now going to tell it to create a new variant, but replace the orange button with an email capture form instead. And while this is working, let me tell you that every landing page has a database too. So any kind of form or data capture you implement, whether it's a lead funnel, feedback form, or just an email capture, will be easy to use and integrate with other tools like Zapier. It's just duplicated the landing page in the canvas, and it's replaced the button with an email form. And you can see it's tried to keep the sign up with Google button, but that doesn't look great. So we're going to go into edit mode and just remove that. Edit mode gives us the normal pixel perfect tools that we'd expect from something like Webflow or Framer, so that we have full control over the visual identity. I can even go ahead and edit this text and say, first 2 months are on us if we're feeling generous. Now we've got our 2 variants, we can go ahead and start an experiment straight from Blox. Or we can personalize it and scale one landing page to thousands of variants for every audience using our smart mapping feature. We also have analytics so that we can track the traffic and the conversions on any landing page or any specific variant. Now let's think to the future, because we're building an agent that's going to be completely autonomous from hypothesis to outcome. It will actively watch how your customers will interact with a landing page like the one we've just built. It will code the changes, review the data, and then do this over and over again until you have the most powerful landing page that you could possibly have. We've just launched, so if you want to try this and train it on your brand, go ahead and get 100 credits at withblox.com.